bring in criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully, who's been patiently standing by. And Joseph, the question that I've been wanting to ask you is, as we listen to these social media, the texts and the Facebook and all that, as a defense attorney now, when you get cases, and you know, your defendant will come in, he'll talk to you, he'll tell you a story, and you have to decide as a defense attorney whether you believe him or not. That doesn't have anything to do with you defending him, but you have to decide. Tell me, do you make any decisions at all before you check out whatever reports or whatever the depositions say or whatever the discovery says about these about their social media? Because that, to me, is where all the truths come out.
Oh, sure. I mean, cases now are completely different than when I first started practicing in 1999. Nowadays, when we get a case, we get a file about this thick that has all the records from social media, text messages, computers, all that. So, and yeah, that is where the truth comes out, and that's where you see the true facts of the case. And no, you don't make any decisions until you review all the evidence.
Because what's your catchphrase?
Yeah.
Social media,
it's
digital.
It's the new DNA.
It's the new.
It is the new DNA.
What would your cross be for this particular witness? Joseph Tully, go.
So I think the only defense in this case is for the defendant to take the stand and say, yes, I planned to meet her. Yes, I was upset. But no, it's just a complete fluke that they ended up being killed by somebody else on the day of our meeting. So I would lay that foundation in my cross. And not really deal with what the detective is doing, but set up my my theory of the case.
All right, fair enough. Folks, let's take you back into court now. The detective is continuing his direct examination here. He's, again, going through a number of Facebook messages between the defendant and the victim.
Grizelda, te digo que está despierto.
I'm telling you that he's awake.
Ven.
Come.
This next message is from Burgos. Y te dije, let's meet up y que lo traigas, pero andas con excusas.
And I told you, let's meet up and to bring him, but you're going around with excuses.
Going to page 2003.
Grizelda, I thought you were being sarcastic. You don't do this, that's all. Grizelda, I'm sorry. Really, I am. Burgos. It's cool, don't worry. Grizelda, I just thought you were being sarcastic. So, now what? ¿Lo quieres ver? Te pregunto bien.
Do you want to see him? I'm asking you right.
Burgos. Si no quieres, no. Si quieres, voy. Si no quieres, no. It's whatever.
If you want to, bring him. If you don't want to, don't. If you want, I can go. If you don't want to, no.
And I said I was sorry, I mean it. I'm asking you right, from Grizelda.
Now I'm going to page 1998.
Grizelda, I had to shower too. Burgos, you take forever to get ready, damn. Grizelda, sorry, I'm almost done. Sorry. Burgos, Winfield. Like by Del Mar and Gold's Gym. Ya que. Grizelda.
Now what?
Grizelda, okay.
Oh, what? Okay, what?
Okay, Burgos. Okay. Okay, ¿qué? ¿Qué vas a hacer
Okay, what?
entonces?
So then what are you going to do?
Grizelda, I'll be there in like 15. Or I'll message you if I'm lost.
What time is that last message here on the top of page 1998?
That's at 1:03 p.m.
1:03 p.m. on March 25th.
Yes.
I'm now going to page 1997.
Burgos, okay. Me muero en el sol.
I'm dying in the sun.
Grizelda, laugh out loud on Del Mar. Where exactly do I turn? Passing Golds. Burgos, yes. Past Golds, then the next light.
So approaching the top of the hour, that's going to do it for me. And our thanks to Joseph Tully. Michael, your
Yeah.
next show.
Great to be with you, Matt. Definitely you have. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now, we've been listening to Detective Raimundo Garcia with the Laredo Police Department read conversations between the defendant and his girlfriend, Grizelda. We'll go back into court on the other side. Keep it here on your front door seat.